Hello and welcome everybody, I'm Alvise, and in this video I'm going to show you why being comfortable about letting an AI agent build entire features on your WordPress sites, even when those sites have real customers and real traffic. The whole reason comes down to one sentence: the risk on production isn't the plugin, it's the workflow. And Novamira, the free open source WordPress plugin that gives AI agents full access to your site through MCP, has two simple mechanisms that make the right workflow effortless. So let me walk you through it. Here's the picture I want you to keep in mind. Two sites side by side. One is a staging site where the AI agent has been working for the last 10 minutes. It's built a new custom post type, set up some ACF fields, and seeded a few sample entries. The other one is production. Same plugin installed, exact same code, and completely untouched. The agent never had access to it. Once I'm happy with the staging result, I push it to production using my normal release process. That's the whole workflow. And there are two reasons it stays this simple. First, a quick word on what Novamira does. When AI abilities are turned on, the agent has real write access to your WordPress site, can edit files, execute PHP right to the database. So real persistent changes. The same kind of work that a developer would do on a site they're building. It's what lets the agent actually build features instead of just describing them to you. Novamira Pro adds a builder-specific abilities on top, but the foundation is the same. Real access, real work. So the question isn't, is this plugin dangerous? A serious dev tool with real write access is exactly what makes AI useful here. The question is where you want that real work to happen, and that's where the workflow comes in. In the beginning of the video, I talk about two mechanisms that make the workflow effortless. The mechanism number one is the AI ability setting itself. It's a single explicit toggle on the Novamira settings page, and it's off by default. To turn it on, you have to open the WordPress admin, go into Novamira's settings, tick the checkbox, and finally save. So on staging, just tick the box once and it's done. AI agents can connect and work. On production instead, just leave it alone. The plugin is installed, but the AI side stays dormant. And yes, Novamira can absolutely live on production. The recommendation isn't don't install it, just install it everywhere you want. Just keep AI abilities off where you don't want AI to work. And here's the key piece. Most WordPress workflows involve copying staging to production at some point. So full database push, file sync, the works. So the natural worry is, if I turn AI abilities on in staging and then I push staging to production, does that activation hitch a ride? The answer is no. And the reason is something called domain lock. Think of it like this. When I tick that toggle on staging, Novamira doesn't just save AI abilities on. It saves two things together: AI abilities on and log to staging, for example, .example.com. If I copy that database to production, both values come along, but production's actually domain is example.com, not staging.example.com, so they don't match. So Novamira refuses to activate, and the AI abilities stay off automatically, no matter how thoroughly you migrated. One quick tip: most modern WordPress hosts give you a staging environment included with your plan. If you don't have one set up yet, that's the missing piece. It's the same hosting bill and it makes the entire AI workflow work without thinking. So Novamira is built around the same workflow professional WordPress developers already use. Build on staging, review the result, and deploy to production through your normal release process. The plugin doesn't fight you on this. It actively helps with the explicit toggle and the domain lock. So even when something migrates that shouldn't, AI stays off where you want it off. As I said before, the risk on production isn't the plugin but the workflow. So set it up once and you can stop thinking about it. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.